There are several plants that resemble dandelions, but when you remember the 4 following characteristics of dandelions, you'll never mistake them for another plant. Number 1. Dandelion's flower stems are smooth, hollow when broken, and they produce white latex sap when broken. Number 2. There is always only one flower per stem. Number 3. Dandelion stems never branch out. Unlike cat's ears, which have similar flowers, but their stems branch out and they can have several flowers per stem. And number 4. The leaves form a rosette at the base of the plant. They never grow on the stem. Cat's ears leaves also form a rosette, but they also grow leaves on the stem. There are several plants that resemble dandelions, but none of them have all these 4 characteristics.